So, hi, dear Taurus, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a current energy you versus them check in. You versus them current energy check in. The roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind. And this is just a current energy check in. There's no timeline to this. We are just checking the energies for like what it is today, for today, right now. Okay. Now, if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can book your slots. You can check out the description box for the same. You can purchase my course. If you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can go for the workshop. Ho'oponopono if you want to start your self-healing journey but don't know from where to start. Okay. So these are the headlights, headlines. Now let's see you versus them, Taurus. What's happening currently at this present moment? Let's see on your side what we have. We have the Three of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Knight of Swords. You're refusing to participate in a situation. You are refusing to take any kind of action from your side because you think even if you're going to do something about the situation from your side, it's going to maybe turn into some kind of a disaster. So all you're trying to do right now at this present moment is to be mindful about your actions, mindful about what you going to do about the situation, mindful about this whole collaboration partnership kind of a thing. It's like you are taking the charge of your life in your own hands and you're trying your best not to do anything stupid in this direction, especially not to take any kind of mindless action in this direction. So from time to time maybe you are getting this urge of let's do this, let's just do this, but at the same time you are in this energy of no, don't do anything rubbish, don't do anything stupid, just be mindful and just wait and watch and then go forward, move forward. Okay, let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to. We have the Justice, the Strength card, the High Priestess. So according to them keeping their mouth shut and energies low key is the right thing to do from their side. I don't know if you guys are not communicating much and or there is no communication at all, but the energy attached to you is feeling that the less they are going to communicate, the less they are going to say or do anything about the situation, the more they are doing the right thing by doing nothing about the situation at all, because right now they know that you are not in the right kind of mindset to hear them or to listen to them, or even if they will try to sort it out with you, it's not going to end up in a good place. So that is why this person is feeling like intuitively they're feeling like they should just keep their energies like low-key and their mouth shut, and this is the right thing to do. They're giving you the space and time to understand the whole dynamics and themselves too. Okay, so right now them being not participating in the equation very actively is kind of a deliberate action, and according to them this is the right thing. Cool. Let's see for the connection what we have. Five of Swords, Queen of Swords, the Fool card. Both of you are too much stuck in your head about the situation, and both of you are doing your own thing by letting go of letting go of okay, each other. Yeah, this is the right word. So both of you are using your mind over your hearts, and that is why this is a no communication or no communication, or at like less communication kind of a deal happening. What is wrong with me today? I don't know. Maybe looking extremely beautiful is a sin or something. I'm sorry. I am connected to my inner child of late a lot. This is the effect. So both of you are just doing your own thing, taking the risk of letting go of each other and not doing anything about the situation, and both of you know it, right? And both of you are deliberately in this energy of we should not do anything about it, let it unfold naturally. Maybe letting go is the good thing to do, so both of you are doing that only. For the connection, I do see both two people going their individual way and listening to their egos, listening to their minds, listening to their not consciousness, okay. Yeah, listening to their minds or over their heart, you can say head over heart, and moving on in their two separate directions. For you the guidance is just keep moving ahead and keep your options open, keep your energies open to new thing, new people, new situations, and just be happy. Keep your heart and soul open to new experiences as well, Taurus. And if you are still thinking about this person all the time, maybe you should sort it out with this person. If not, let it go and just wait and watch. Maybe whatever is meant for this connection, for this situation to happen, will come to you eventually. Yeah, organically and naturally. Lot of colors. Anyway, so I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.